Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to generate security codes on your account for OnlyFans using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for OnlyFans, as well as have access to a mobile phone, which can be used for the two-factor authentication method. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to the OnlyFans platform. We can use our shortcut on the bookmarks tab. Let's go to OnlyFans. This should take us directly to our profile. Now let's go to the cog wheel where it says edit profile. Now navigate to account. Let's now go to your two-step authentication. Now we have the Authenticator app enabled as well as the verification via SMS. Let's just say we don't have access to the app and we're struggling to get in. We can generate a few codes that can be used as part of a security check. So let's now click on Show Codes. This will require us to then type in a code that's sent to our mobile phone via SMS. As you can see, I've already done that. And now I only see the backup codes on screen, which can be used once each in the event you won't have access to the app. And so the previously issued backup codes are no longer valid. So we can choose to copy or we can choose to close. And so let's now go back to my profile, quit Safari, and so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.